Do you want to give it a try and create this kind of effects? I think this will be the best episode that you can get into. Right, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Filmora Edits. And for today's episode, we are going to talk about the AI templates that has recently been updated in the Filmora 15. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so this card behind me is what we're going to use and apply the Filmora AI template. And let's see how it will work out. So for today's episode, we are going to use the AI templates with Filmora 15, specifically the AI media and the video inspiration. So here in the video inspiration, you can check between the entertainment, professional, or the UGC templates that we have here. And some of them are already prepaid using your AI credits, or some of them can be used for free. So in order to get this kind of effect, I tried to search for the car transformation, and there are a lot of options that you can choose from within this AI templates. So here, I decided to use the first one that appears in my search button. And let's upload the photo that I took earlier by the garage as the sample of the car that we're going to transform using the AI template for Filmora 15. And on the bottom part, there will be descriptions that you might be using in order for you to describe how it should look like. So for example, on this case, let's try make this car into a giant robot like Transformer or Transformers. Example, Bumblebee. Well, that's the Transformer that I actually first think of. Then stepping into action and run. Perhaps going to the right side of the screen or frame, maybe. And then as you can see here, there's a generate button for as option depending on the credits that you still have and the duration of the video that you can do depending on your preference. And once you're contented with the description and the photo, just hit generate and Filmora 15 will do the rest for you. So once the generation is done, this is the sample of the video that you had, and you can put it on your timeline without any copyright. And this is the same sample that you've seen in the very first part of this video. And that's how I did the simple AI template using the Filmora 15. And if you guys are interested to do some of this kind of effects, feel free to look at the playlist that I have here on this channel. And if you guys like this content, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.